Hello, welcome to Python code series. In this video, I am going to discuss the output of this Python code. So initially we can see the variable x is defined value 5 and t is defined value 1, and this is a statement of for loop. So this is I is the variable I, this I is the variable which will iterate over this. This actually an array. So my initial element is 1 and the last element is x plus 1, which is 6. So this command, the syntax will produce an array having element from 1 to 5. 6 is not included. So my this variable I will iterate over the element of this array. So what is the number of iteration for this for loop? The number of iteration will be equal to the length of this array. So length of this array is the number of elements in this array, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of iteration will be 5. So in first iteration, it will see this syntax, which is t equals to t into I. So initially my t value is 1 and I will take value 1 from this. So in first iteration, I will take value 1 and t is 1. So 1 into 1 equals to 1. So this 1 value will be assigned to this t variable. So the previous value will be replaced by new value. In second iteration, so it will not go to this statement because it have to work over this block. So in second iteration, I will take value 2. In second iteration, I will take value 2 and my t value was 1. So 1 into 2 equals to 2. Now in third iteration, I will take value 3. I will take value 3 just here, third iteration. So, and my t value was 2. So 2 into 3, 6. So in third iteration, t value will modify to 6. Now coming to fourth iteration, in fourth iteration, I will take value 4 from this array, this 4. And my t value you can see is 6. So 6 into 4, 24. Now t value will modify to 24. Now in the last iteration, which is fifth iteration, that I value will be 5. So t into I, which is t value is 24. 24 into value 5, which is 5, will be 120. So at last, my t value at the fifth iteration, t value will become 120. And this loop will terminate after 5 iteration, and it will come to this syntax and it will print the value 120. So this is my output. So you can see this works like just a factorial. Factorial of 5 is 120. Thanks.